Welcome back to my channel, beauty lovers. Today I'm going to show you my daily skincare routine using only First Aid beauty products. This eye cream is amazing because it literally depuffs and neutralizes the color under your eye. I think my favorite product is the coconut water cream because it is so hydrating. It literally sinks into your skin and just makes your skin glow immediately.
How can I do this? I never felt this way before. You keep on staring at me, and I can't take it anymore.
Oh my god, I'm literally glowing and I love it.
But you already know that I really want you. Is it love, 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 love that I'm feeling? Is it love, 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 love that I'm feeling? Is she the one that I'm dreaming of?
This mango butter multi-stick is amazing because you could actually do whatever you want with this. It has a rose tint to it and it smells absolutely amazing. You could put it on your lips or your cheeks, just if you are going for that really natural look with no makeup. This last step isn't necessary, but I love this spray because it just smells amazing and it just really binds all the products together. Thank you for watching my full skincare tutorial using only First Aid beauty products. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later, beauty lovers!